All right, hey y'all, my name is Brittany. I'm here on this cruise and I'm going to show you our stateroom. So we have here these little medallions, right? And they send these to you in the mail before you go on the cruise. And all you do to get in your room, you touch it. They don't always work. Voila. So come with me and let's tour our cabin. So, as you can see here, we have quite a decent sized closet. Have some hangers for the swimsuits. Just ignore the mess down there. And then, if you want to follow me into the spacious bathroom, you can see here we have our shower. It's tiny. You're going to be bumping around a lot in there. And then the toilet. And then the sink and fully stocked toiletries, which I have to say, I've used worse. So,
yeah, let's see what's in there.
Oh, so this, we have a safe, very important for your valuables, and lots of shelf space. So, follow me in here, and voila, this, my friends, is what we all come for. So this is the balcony, and I'd have to say this is the best part of the room. It's spacious, you've got chairs, you got some tables, you got the nice breeze. So the chairs actually can recline back. And there's almost enough space if you're out here, you can just turn it this way and recline. It's nice. So you come in here. Ooh, I think that's a delivery for us. Let's see who it is. Ah, thank you. Oh, we need to close the door, she's saying. Sorry about that. Thank you so much. I know. All right. Thank you. You're lovely. All right. So we have here some champagne, prosecco, and fruit. And we have a lot of other fruit in here now that we're going to try for y'all. But for now, let's take this and put this here. All right. Cheers, y'all. Bubbly. Okay. So, as you can see, we have two beds. Let's give this a taste. Yeah, that ain't bad. I have to say, this is like some feathery pillows. Some real feathery pillows. Yeah, this ain't bad. I could take a nap here. Alright, we're back. Alright, so we have the beds. I happen to request multiple pillows on my bed because I like a lot of pillows, and they give you these thick feather pillows. I don't know what kind of feathers are in here, but these are like some good feathery, robust pillows. This ain't no like cardboard Motel 6 crap. This is like robust feathers. And we have a little workstation here. Got my chair. It's very spacious for a cruise room, I have to say. We have the outlet adapter. 100% mandatory if you're going to go on a cruise and work with that. You got to have an adapter. You have multiple sets of drawers, so check this out. We've got those drawers. These are very spacious. I don't know what I have in here. I have some Moroccan oil and receipts and my only clean undergarments. And then we have those. And we have those drawers. And we have all of this. This is the most spacious cruise cabin I've ever been in. It's incredible. So this is our personal fridge. Ew, there's food in there that's from like 5 days ago. I guess they forgot to clean that out. Let's put that in the hallway. Come take that from us. Alright, they just come, you put it in the hallway, and it disappears like magic. Oh, and what do y'all think about this little arched doorway? Isn't that charming? So charming. Ceilings are a little low, but again, it's a cruise ship, so what do you expect? I would say I'm going to give this entire cruise cabin an 8 out of 10. Now, my only improvements, and this is me being picky, but I would say maybe a little seating area. Something we forgot to mention is the TV, which is large and it pivots. But I would say maybe if they were to put like a little seating area or something that you could pull out, but that's just me being picky. Thank you so much for joining us on our cabin tour. I hope you enjoyed it. We are going to enjoy the rest of this cruise. We're going to drink some Prosecco. And bye, y'all. Oops. It's Rocky.